This program is sponsored by BPL Happy Little Things.
When you educate a man, you educate a man. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. हॅलो नमस्कार, हांव सुविधा तोरगल बखले. शक्ती या आमच्या नवरात्री निमताच्या कार्यावळीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता. इश्टानो, खूप ल्हानपणांतल्यान बायलांक कशें वागप, कशें जगप हें सांगलें वता. सगळ्याच बायलांक पुराय स्वातंत्र्य अजुनूय तितलेशें मेळना. दिस इज अ बिटर ट्रूथ, माय फ्रेंड्स. We women keep looking for inspiration around us, and we find it in women in our lives who are determined to achieve their goals, all the while being so graceful. अशेंच एक व्यक्तिमत्व आज आमच्या वांगडा आयला. प्लीज वेलकम विथ मी डॉक्टर राधिका श्रीकांत नायक. राधिकाजी, तुमकां मना काळजासावन येवकार. राधिकाजी is a professor and principal at Dempo College of Commerce and Economics, Bamboli. She is also the officiating registrar at Goa University. ह्या क्षेत्रांत 40 वर्सांचो अनुभव आशिल्ल्या राधिकाजींक गोंय सरकारचे बेस्ट टीचर अवॉर्ड 2019-20 ह्या सन्माना खातीर नॉमिनेट केल्ले. शी इज अ MA in Economics and Political Science, LLB PhD in Economics and PG Diploma in Business Administration from Goa Institute of Management. हांचे बरेच रिसर्च पेपर्स पब्लिश जाल्यात. नॉट जस्ट academics. She has had a long journey in local governance. She has contested for Ponda municipal elections 4 times from 1996. She has won 3 times and lost once by 1 vote. For 2 terms, she was chairperson at municipality and 1 term in opposition. Her interests lie in working for empowerment of women, training young people in personality development, and civic and local governance. Radhika ji, you have had a tremendous journey. म्हाका सगळ्यांक पयलीं तुमकां हें विचारपाचें आसा की हाव युअर जर्नी हॅज स्टार्टेड. तुमी केन्ना ठरयलें की यू वॉन्ट टू बी अ टीचर?
थँक्यू सुविधा. सगळे ऑडियन्साक म्हाजे कडच्यानूय नवरात्रेची शुभेच्छा. एज फार एज युअर क्वेश्चन इज कन्सर्न, आय विश हांव तुका म्हणपाक शकतालें की म्हाका ल्हानपणाच्यानूच टीचर जावंक जाय आशिल्लें म्हणून. एक्चुली हांव पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन सोंपयता सोंपयता म्हाका एक ऑफर आयली की तुका कार्मेल कॉलेज फॉर विमेन हातून एक वेकन्सी आसा, तूं शिकोवंक सोदता. आनी त्या दिसांनी कॉम्पिटिशन इतली टफ नासताली जॉबा खातीर. सो हांवें म्हणलें एक ट्राय करुया म्हणून. आनी एक दीस अशेंच एक अजून पेपर उरिल्लो म्हाजो दिवपाचो. अशेंच हांव गेलें आनी प्रिंसिपलाक मेळ्ळें आनी प्रिंसिपलान चड कांय विचारनासतना म्हाका म्हणलें लायब्ररीन वच, पुस्तकां घे आनी अमके तारखेच्यान सुरू कर तुगेलें जॉब म्हणून. म्हाकाय दिशिल्लें की टीचर म्हणून हांव चडांत चड 1 वर्स किंवा 2 वर्सां उरतलें त्या कॉलेजीन म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना हांव शिकोवंक लागलें आनी जेन्ना भुरग्यांचो इंट्रस्ट पळयलो हांवें आनी जेन्ना कळून आयलें की एक टिचराचो इन्फ्लुअन्स भुरग्याच्या लायफान कितलो आसता तो, तेन्ना म्हाका दिसून आयलें की टिचींग इज अ वंडरफूल प्रोफेशन. So actually, teaching for me is a profession that I entered into by chance, but I stayed on by choice. आणि stayed on म्हणजे अशें तशें न्ही, 40 वर्सां ह्याच प्रोफेशनान I have enjoyed this journey of dealing with young minds.
वाव, 40 वर्सां. ताचे बद्दल म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा की आदीच्या काळान आनी आतांच्या काळान बायलां खातीर ह्या क्षेत्रांत कितें बदल्लां अशें तुमकां दिसता? तुमी कितें डिफिकल्टीज फेस केल्या?
टिचींग ह्या क्षेत्रांत खूपच बदल आयिल्ले आसा. एक्चुली स्टुडंट प्रोफायल पयलीं पळयत जाल्यार हायर एड्युकेशनान पर्टिक्युलरली चड पयलीं तेंपान चड चले आसताले आनी चलयो खूब कमी आसताल्यो. आतां जे कॉलेजीन हांव प्रिंसिपल म्हणून आसा डेम्पो कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इकॉनॉमिक्स. लोकांक अजून याद जाता की जेन्ना कॉलेज एस्टॅब्लिश जाल्ली in 1966, at that time there used to be 90% boy students and only 5% would be girls. आणि आतां तूं जर येवन स्टुडंट प्रोफायल पळोवशी जाल्यार आय एम व्हेरी प्राऊड टू से that almost 70% are girls and only 30% are boys. Of course, it is a matter of concern की हे चले सगळे खंय गेल्या कित्याक हायर एड्युकेशनान येना, पूण चलयो ज्या नंबरान येता हायर एड्युकेशनान तातूंतल्यान दे आर ऑल्सो कमिंग इन टू दी एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेक्टर. आणि where teaching is concerned, if you look at any level of teaching, शाळेन म्हण, हायर सेकंडरीन म्हण, कॉलेजीन म्हण किंवा युनिवर्सिटीन सुद्दां जर तूं म्हणत जाल्यार तुका चड प्रमाणान बायलां दिसून येतलीं. There is an impression that teaching is a comfortable job for a woman. There is an impression that she can handle her home and the job very well if it is a teaching job as compared to a corporate job or as compared to a banking job. So where it is true that you have considerable free time, vacations, etc., but the job is also becoming more and more demanding and more challenging now in this information age. तुवें भुरग्यांक सांगचे पयलीं भुरग्यां कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन आसता तेन्ना टीचर अशें वेगळें कितें क्लासरुमान हाडूंक शकता ज्या हातून भुरग्यांचें इंट्रस्ट उरतलें. This is the challenge that a teacher faces day after day in these days.
Yeah, these are the new age challenges. And when you started, then तुमका अशे कितें challenges being a woman, did you face any sort of discrimination or discouragement at that time?
टीचिंग ह्या क्षेत्रांत डिस्करेजमेंट अशें कांयच नाशिल्लें. एंड एक्चुअली आय मे बी वन ऑफ द फ्यू एक्सेप्शन्स. म्हाका फॅमिलींतल्यानूय बी सपोर्ट खूब आशिल्लो आनी इन द प्रोफेशन ऑल्सो देर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट. खुबदां अशें बायलांक सांगतना आयकलां की माय सपोर्ट करना किंवा घोव सपोर्ट करना, पूण तसलें कांयच प्रॉब्लम्स म्हाजे कडेन नाशिल्ले. I had a very supportive mother-in-law. I have a very supportive husband, and my family has been all in all very supportive to all the initiatives that I have taken throughout my life. तशेंच म्हजे कलिग्स खंयच्याय क्षेत्रान आशिल्ले, टिचींग जावं, पॉलिटिक्स जावं, लोकल गव्हर्नन्स जावं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जावं, I have had the good fortune of having very supportive colleagues as well. But this is not true of majority of the women. We always hear about cases of domestic violence. We always hear about families which are not supporting women.
Definitely.
Women have to work against against the tide, so to say. They have to be doubly good to prove themselves as good as the men in the working space. So these are challenges which women have been facing, but I'm happy that today women are a force to reckon with in whichever sphere. आता तुवें आयकलें आसतलें की even in a male dominated area like NDA, National Defence Academy, women are going to be given an entry there, and that really is saying that women are breaking the glass ceiling.
Definitely. You have had a fair share of experience in local governance, तुम्ही म्हटले तशे. सो आतां इलेक्शन सीजन चालू आसा, त्या खातीर एक तुमकां क्वेश्चन विचारपाचो आसा. वेन यू लॉस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट वन वोट, वॉट डीड यू फील, वॉट डीड यू एक्सपिरियन्स?
It was a heart-breaking experience. एक मतान जेन्ना तूं हरता इलेक्शन तेन्ना तुका it just shatters you. हांवें जितलें मन लावन 5 वर्सां काम केल्लें लोकां खातीर म्हाका अशें दिसलें की हांवें 5 वर्सां वेस्ट केलीं काय कितें. अशी नॅरो मार्जीन आनी 1 वोटान अशें हरप म्हणजे इट वॉज It was, it was so difficult to accept. आणि इमिडिएट रिॲक्शन अशें जालें की आतां आनी लोकां खातीर कांय करप ना, जें कितें करता तें हांव स्वता खातीर करतलें. आनी ऑफकोर्स इट वॉज अ डिसअपॉयंटमेंट, पूण आय टूक इट पॉझिटिवली. आनी यू वोंट बिलीव हांवें कितें केलें तें, आय वेंट एंड रेजिस्टर्ड फॉर PhD at that senior age. म्हणजे I must have been close to 45 years of age, and then I went and registered for PhD. I got my PhD in those 5 years, and because of that I was able to become a principal.
म्हाका तुमकां विचारपाचें आसा की तुमचो एक्सपिरियन्स म्युनिसिपालिटीन कसो आशिल्लो एज अ चेअरपर्सन ऑर एज अ कावन्सिलर. हाव वॉज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स?
I came into the municipality when reservation for women had come in for the first time at municipal and panchayat levels in 1996. It was a very, very challenging experience. 33% of the elected councillors were women. But very few women knew what had to be done. In fact, very few men also knew what had to be done. And so it was a learning experience. But I can say this much, that my tenure in the municipal council allowed me to do a lot for the marginalized sections. जे slum dwellers आशिल्ले, जे गरीब आशिल्ले, जे unemployed आशिल्ले, बायलां खातीर skill development, computer courses, tailoring courses, स्वयं रोजगार योजनाज, खूबशे गोष्टी आमी हाडूंक शकले. सेंटराचे स्किम्स आमी लोकांक बेनिफीट दिवपाक शकले. सो इट वॉज अ व्हेरी सॅटिस्फायींग एक्सपिरियन्स. आनी आय वॉन्ट टू से that if at all I was able to do something for the people of Ponda, it was because of the support of my male colleagues. So खूबदां म्हाका विचारता, बायल जावन तुका त्रास जाल्ले काय कितें? आनी हांव म्हणटा की कॉन्ट्ररी टू दॅट, एका बायलेक इतले बरे रितीन ते दादल्यांनी सपोर्ट दिलो की आमी 5 वर्सां आतां जे म्युजिकल चेअर्स तुमकां दिसता, चेअरपर्सन जाता, नो कॉन्फिडन्स जाता, परत आनी एका वर्सा खातीर रोटेशनाचेर चेअरपर्सन, तसलें कांयच नाशिल्लें. दोनी टर्मान हांवें फूल 5 years चेअरपर्सन अशें परफॉर्म केलें, आनी विथ द सपोर्ट ऑफ माय काउन्सिलर्स, अँड वी वर एबल टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क.
Very nice. Your work is very inspirational. Now, you have worked in various fields, teaching, management. What work do you like the best? तुमचे खंयचे आसा फेवरेट काम?
Teaching, of course, is my passion. I mean, I stayed in teaching because it was so refreshing to be with young people. You get motivated, you feel a sense of rejuvenation every day. You don't get old, अशें म्हाका दिसता. अजुनूय म्हाका दिसता की हांव तेन्नाचें जे यंग पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट जे कॉलेजीन जॉयन जाल्लें तशेंच आसा म्हणून. पूण when it comes to wanting to make a difference around you, I think my tenure in local governance has really made me feel that I have been able to change lives. I have been able to make a difference in the lives of people, and that gives a lot of satisfaction. But today I'm in a post of administration, I'm a principal, and I get equal satisfaction over there because I can lead my institution, to become an institution to reckon with, an institution which has become a brand. And so when I see that students line up for admissions to Dempo College, I feel that it is a moment of pride, where I can say that my efforts, along with the support of all my teachers and administrative staff, we have been able to live up to the expectations of the people.
Thank you. I want to ask you about one more area of your work. जसे तुमचे कोलिग्स तुमकां विचारतले की वाय आर यू वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स विमेन एम्पावरमेंट, वॉट हॅज ड्रिवन यू, सो आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू की तुमकां कित्याक मोटिवेट और वाय डू यू फील द नीड टू बी वर्किंग इन दिस फील्ड? आय वॉन्ट टू हियर इट फ्रॉम यू.
You know, I am an only child. I don't have brothers or sisters. So I have never felt, that discrimination. But when I looked around me, I used to see that there was always a lot of discrimination. In fact, I always remember what one student of mine told me who came from a very good family. And I used to, in my lectures about discrimination against girl child, I would say, अशेंय बी केन्ना केन्ना जाता की फॅमिली भितर नुस्तें हाडलें जाल्यार बरी पोस्तां आवय सदां काडून चल्याक दवरता आनी चलयेक सांगता यू जस्ट मॅनेज विथ वॉट एवर इज अवेलेबल. And I used to tell them that maybe you don't face this. It may be the situation in rural areas, uneducated. आणि एक स्टुडंट उबे रावले आनी म्हाका म्हणपा लागले, मॅम, that is not true. Even in my house, the best pieces go to my brother and whatever remains comes to me. So that drove home the point that discrimination still happens, even in families. And it happens in society, it happens everywhere where you look around you. And that is what motivated me to work for women empowerment. I mean, a woman should realize that she is a source of strength. And when I worked with women, I began to see the confidence that they would get the moment they started becoming financially independent. खूब बायलां सांगपाक लागलीं की आतां मॅम आमकां घरा कडेन आमचें ओपिनियन मॅटर करता. सादो फ्रीज घेतलो जाल्यार सुद्दां खंयचे कलराचे घेवया अशें म्हणून केन्ना आमकां कोण विचारचें नाशिल्लें, पूण आतां विचारता, कारण वी आर कॉन्ट्रिब्युटींग टू द फॅमिली इनकम. सो when you see this transition, when you see that you are able to give women a voice, then you feel that you are really doing something. And I think that there are thousands of women out there who are not as fortunate as you and me, who have the benefit of education, who have the benefit of family support or the support of colleagues.
Absolutely.
Many women have to struggle even today in the rural areas, struggle for simple things like clean drinking water, or even say toilet facilities, or on areas such as menstrual hygiene. I mean, these are all topics which are areas which they find difficult to deal with. And so I think it is the responsibility of every educated woman to pass on the baton to others, to see that other women are also empowered. And it will begin in the home. I always tell my colleagues that empower your daughters and teach your sons to respect the women, or respect the girls, because out of that then we will be able to have a more equal society where women and men will be able to work together as equals.
So beautifully said, ma'am, and I would like to thank you for the work you're doing and for your words today on behalf of all the women who are out there and who are watching this also. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
for
and more
everything.
power to you as a woman,
Thank
and to
you.
all the women who are watching this program.
So, speaking of which, म्हाका तुमकां विचारपाचें आसा की एज अ वुमन हाव डू यू थिंक वी कॅन मेक आवर सेल्फ स्ट्रॉंगर? वॉट एडवाइस वूड यू लायक टू गिव टू एवरीबडी?
My most important advice is financial independence. खंयचेय जॉब ल्हान ना, खंयचेय जॉब, I mean, there is dignity in every job that you do. And so कसलेय जॉब आसूं, पयलीं म्हणजे एड्युकेट युअर सेल्फ, आनी दुसरें म्हणजे बी फायनान्शियली इंडिपेंडंट. द मोमेंट यू हॅव फायनान्शियल इंडिपेंडन्स, you will find that you have a voice as well. आनी जेन्ना तुमी उलोवपाक शकता, जेन्ना तुमी तुमचें ओपिनियन दवरपाक शकता, जेन्ना तुमकां कॉन्फिडन्स येता की यू आर नॉट अ सेकंड क्लास सिटीजन, you are equal to the man alongside you, then you will find that women will be able to establish themselves as equal citizens in the society. So my most important advice to all young women is, no matter how rich or how well off your family may be, you should be financially independent. You should not be dependent on anybody. And that will give you the confidence, and that will give you the courage to face whatever comes in life.
Thank you. Thanks for the advice. I would like to know a little bit more about your journey in politics. How was it different from teaching or your core interest, and would you like to continue further in it, and do you encourage other people, other women to participate in political work as well?
You know, right from my childhood, I have heard that politics is a dirty game. So when I got an opportunity to enter into local governance through elections, I said, let me see why people say this, and why and how I probably can do something to make it different. So my belief is that if we only stand at the ringside and criticize, सदांच आमी जर पॉलिटिशियन्साक क्रिटिसायज करीत रावले, ते काय करना, ते करप्ट आसा, ते अशें आसा, ते तशें आसा, जाल्यार क्रिटिसिजम इज व्हेरी इजी. पूण तूं स्वता वचून थंय कितें करून दाखयतलें जाल्यार इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो my challenge was that rather than criticize, get into that field and show what you can do. But I must tell you that it is not easy. Atache politics je asa, it has unfortunately become a game of, it is a game of money power, muscle power, and in that women may find it very difficult. And that is why I always support this cause of reservation for women, because unless there was reservation, we would never have seen what transformation women can bring, the sincerity of their purpose can bring in panchayats and municipalities. Ata te आमी पळयला, and it is high time that assemblies आणि parliamentan सुद्धा reservation येवपाक जाय, कारण ते आयल ना जाल्यार men will not be ready to give up their positions of power. They will not be ready to share power with women. And till that happens, I don't think we will be able to see that many women in assemblies and in the parliament. So I am a die-hard supporter of reservation. As far as my personal journey is concerned, I have, decided to take a break from politics.
Achha.
I have served the community for 20 years through elections.
Okay.
And I feel that it's time that I should, give myself and my family some time.
Oh, but thanks a lot for the 20 years of work that you have put in. Madam, your journey, your story, it has inspired me, and I am sure सगळ्यांक तशेंच दिसला आसतलें. आमच्या प्रेक्षकांक तुमच्या कडल्यान खूब प्रोत्साहन मेळ्ळा अशें आय एम शुअर ऑफ इट. राधिकाजी, तुमी आज हांगा आयली, वेळान वेळ काडून आमचे कडेन संवाद केलो. थँक्यू सो मच. तुमकां देव बरें करूं.
तुमकांय देव बरें करूं, आनी सगळे तुमचे प्रेक्षकांकय बी. I wish them a happy festive season, Dasra, where we celebrate the victory of good over evil. Let the good prevail, and let the evil disappear from our society.
Absolutely. नवरात्रीच्यो तुमकां सगळ्यांक खूब परबी. देव बरें करूं.
This program was sponsored by BPL, Happy Little Things.